In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear your search history on the eBay app, a quick and simple process that can help you maintain privacy and keep your app running smoothly. Whether you're shopping on eBay for fun or searching for something specific, clearing your search history periodically is a good practice. It can prevent unnecessary clutter and ensure that the app remains responsive, especially if you search frequently. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to unlock your phone and open the eBay app. Once you have the app launched, take a moment to observe the home screen. You might see some featured listings or categories that catch your eye, but resist the urge to browse for now. Our goal is to head straight to the search bar. The search bar is generally located at the top of the app screen. It's your gateway to finding anything and everything on eBay, from vintage treasures to the latest tech gadgets. Tapping on the search bar will activate the keyboard and bring up your recent search history. Now that you've tapped on the search bar, you can see a list of your recent searches. This is really convenient for those times when you want to revisit a previous query without starting from scratch. However, if you're here to clear that history, we'll take the next logical step. Look closely for an option that says Clear or Clear Search History. It might appear as a small text link or a button directly within the search bar or just beneath it. The option might be less conspicuous than other buttons, so take a moment to locate it. Once you find the Clear or Clear Search History option, go ahead and tap it. This action promptly removes all your past searches from the list, giving you a clean slate. It's worth mentioning that this is a temporary solution. Future searches will be recorded unless you repeat the process. Clearing your history won't delete any saved items or affect the functionality of the app, so you can do this as often as you like without worry. And there you have it. You've successfully cleared your search history on the eBay app. Not only does this streamline your user experience, but it's also a good step toward decluttering your digital life. By regularly clearing your search history, you're taking control of the app and tailoring it to your preferences. If keeping your search history nice and tidy is part of your routine, go ahead and revisit these simple steps whenever needed. Thanks for watching and happy eBaying!